Okay, so we know B is thumb hole and one finger. We know A is thumb hole, one finger, and two fingers. We know G is thumb hole, one finger, two finger, and three fingers down. We've also talked about half notes, quarter notes. Half note 2 beats, quarter note 1 beat, whole note 4 beat. We talked about whole rest, taking up a measure by themselves. That's 4 beats of silence. We've talked about half rest, sharing a measure with something else, and it looks like a hat, and it gets 2 beats of silence. And we talked about quarter rest that get 1 beat of silence. All of those things we talked about being in 4/4 time, which means that, and again, I'll show you what that looks like if I draw it. 4 over a 4, right? Like that. And that means that we had 4 beats in every measure. Today, we're talking about, we call that a meter, by the way, or time signature. Today, we're going to talk about a brand new meter. So we're not looking for 4 beats anymore. Okay. We're actually going to be looking at, there we go, 2/4, which is like 2 over a quarter note, and it gets 2 beats per measure. So what you're going to want to look at as you practice this is playing 2 beats in a measure. Now look, there's a whole note. It shares it to itself. But since we're in 2/4, that means that this measure is a whole rest and it instead gets 2 full beats of silence. So it's a little different because we're in a new meter. Happy practicing!